I don't know what happened with that last video. Okay. So, viewer discretion is advised. This is not for children or adults or plants or whatever. We're talking about El Fuego. Me, senoritas. We be talking about El Fuego, aka fire. Okay, so this is the thing that it comes in the thing, and check it out. There's another thing. You shouldn't actually flip around stuff. It's tacky and annoying. It makes you look dumb. Okay. Uh, okay, so this is a replica of the 1932 or 3 or 4 or 5 or another number, which is incredibly interesting because it's square. I think you caught that in the last video. Okay, and the amazing thing about this is that pretend like you're like in like D-Day, and you're like one of the Allied forces, like storming the beaches of Normandy, and you also have to smoke cigarettes, shit like that. This is not something that would have appeared at that time period. Um, because it's from 1932. Other, the modern ones are. Please just buy another lighter. That would be a good idea. Or just go with matches. Or just rub 2 sticks together. That would be an even interesting more idea. Because you're smart. You're smart if you're watching this, and I know that you're smart. Okay, check this out. We're gonna be lighting a fire. The fuck? Okay, wait. Okay, that didn't work. Even though it's. God damn it! Even though it's full of fluid, that didn't exactly work. So, what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna create fire with another thing. Check this out. After I put this back, this is an ASMR video, so just kick back, relax, smoke a joint, crack a beer, or a bottle. Fucking uncork the wine, dude. Shit. Okay, so we gonna be what are we doing here? We're gonna put this back. Okay, and you can trust me because I'm really smart. Read a lot of books. That's why I have a, a oh, I know. That's why I have a beard. Check this out. We gonna be putting on some glasses. I can't see shit because these are actually reading classes, which is it's something that is really fun. You learn about it when you're in like 5th grade. These are matches. Check it out. We gonna be lighting fires, and we gonna be turning. We gonna be lighting fires, and we gonna be burning tires. Know what I'm saying? Check this out. Check this shit out. Check this shit out. We got, what is this? These are, okay, the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. Wow, 1940s. Cool. Good grandparents. It didn't even like smoke. Didn't even before there was a stigma and shit. Anyway, I'm gonna show you some fire. You want to see some fire? Okay, kids, listen up. Uncle Remy gonna show you some fire. Oh, check this out. Give me a minute. Okay, we're gonna light a match. Boom. Ow. Son of a... Fuck. God. Okay, so that worked. That was interesting. I highly recommend all those brands. I'm glad that you are watching this, and I hope that you're having a great day. And also, we're not done yet. Hello. Okay. Okay. Oh, you want some more knowledge? You want some more knowledge? Check us out. Check us out. Okay, so you want to make fire. It was invented about a billion trillion. Okay, actually, it wasn't even that long ago. Well, it kind of was. We're gonna have to Wikipedia that. You could do it right now. Look up when fire wasn't actually invented, because obviously it already existed. So, which is a good point. So, Zippos are so fun because I'm gonna give you a little secret here. The upkeep of a Zippo lighter is kind of a lot of work. Got brand name. We got tons of brand names of people that make lighters. Zippos are interesting because it shows character. It's like kind of like might be antiquated, might not really work very well. Check us out. We got a watch. It's plastic. It's named for swimmers. People that actually know how to swim and stuff. Yeah, really interesting. It's a bit of a status symbol. I don't even know or care what time it is, but I got a watch. Check it out. Check this out. So, we got... Ow. God damn it, my thumb is still burning. Son of a mother...